Hi fellow wildlife enthusiasts. In this video I present to you the Great Egret, a tall, white and graceful heron species that can often be observed stalking prey along the shores of rivers and ponds. I have packed many interesting facts into 12 quiz questions followed by answers and explanations. Not sure how to identify the Great Egret in the field? By watching this video to the end, you will not only learn a lot about the Great Egret, but you will also gain the knowledge and skills needed to identify this species in the field with high certainty. Without further ado, let's commence with the quiz. Has the Great Egret a worldwide distribution? Yes, although native to North America, this species has established populations on all continents except Antarctica. There are regional variations in plumage and size, but they are all recognized as one globally distributed species. Is the Great Egret an endangered species? No, not anymore. The Great Egret was on the brink of extinction over 100 years ago due to hunting for its ornamental feathers. However, the species has made a significant recovery due to conservation efforts including legal protection. Is the Great Egret the largest heron in North America? No, it is not. The Great Egret is the second largest, standing up to 1 meter tall. The distinction of being the largest heron species in North America belongs to the great blue heron, which can reach a height up to 140 centimeters. Is the Great Egret a migratory bird? Yes, the Great Egret is known for its seasonal migrations, traveling from its northern breeding areas to southern locations where it stays during the winter months. However, there are sedentary populations in more temperate or tropical regions that do not migrate. Is the Great Egret mostly found in wetlands? Yes, the Great Egret preferred habitat are wetlands, bordered along rivers and ponds and marshes. This heron species possesses several physical adaptations that make it well suited for this environment. These adaptations include long legs for wading through shallow water, a long neck for striking at prey, and specialized feet with long toes for walking on aquatic vegetation without sinking. Does the Great Egret hunt alone? Yes, the Great Egret is known for its solitary hunting behavior, where it carefully searches for prey in shallow waters, relying on its rapid strike and sharp bill to capture fish, amphibians, small reptiles, insects, and other small aquatic creatures. Is the Great Egret a vocal bird? No, the Great Egret is generally quiet and does not produce a wide range of vocalizations. Instead, it often hunts and moves about silently. However, it may make occasionally low guttural calls during courtship and nesting activities. Does the Great Egret exhibit sexual dimorphism? Yes, sexual dimorphism is observed in Great Egrets, although difficult to spot in field, with males typically larger than females on average. During the breeding season, males also develop longer ornate plumes and more colorful facial skin. Is the Great Egret a ground nesting bird? No. This heron species' preferred nesting ground are trees. Occasionally though, if there are no suitable trees available, a Great Egret couple may build a nest in vegetation along the shores of rivers or ponds. Are both parents of Great Egret involved in parenting? Yes, they share responsibilities such as incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. After the eggs are laid, both the male and female take turns incubating them. Once the chicks hatch, both parents participate in feeding and caring for them until they are ready to fledge. Is the Great Egret well studied in the field of animal behavior? Yes, researchers have investigated various aspects of their behavior, including their breeding habits, foraging strategies, social interactions, and migratory patterns. The widespread distribution of Great Egrets and their visibility in a variety of habitats make them accessible subjects for behavioral research. Is the Great Egret easy to identify? Yes, even in areas where the Great Egret's distribution overlaps with other white heron species, It can be identified by the following characteristic. The great egret is all white with black legs and feet and a long yellow bill. Depending on the season, a great egret may also display a green patch below the eye extending towards the bill.